When you have a judgment in our court, there's opportunity for you. This is not the final case. Just like there's the primaries, there's the quarterfinal, there's the semi, and there's the final. So when we read the judgment, it's for what's that also here. When she said, when I asked a copy of the judgment, and the Lord said to those who want to move forward, it's not yet over. I haven't said so. I said, when I read the judgment, I'll know what next step to take. He has a right to appeal, so we can decide what's taken up or not.
Do you have any regrets taking on this case?
I don't. The Spirit of the Lord directed me. And I know it didn't direct me. I did it on pro bono. All of us want to just cast aspirations because we have one bad egg and all of them are bad. Let's give it an opportunity.
Thank you so much.
Obviously, happy about the results of this conviction, and we hope to bring a closure for the family of late Mrs. Bola Lerai, and we thank the government headed by Mr. Babajide Sanwo-Olu for providing the enabling environment for being able to see this prosecution through. And we also thank the police for their cooperation, and of course I thank all my team members for their industry, and more especially the Solicitor General Permanent Secretary Ms. Shitabe, who had also appeared on this case on a number of occasions. Thank you so much.